Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back if this is not your first time to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. So follow and if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button for me now and leave a comment and share this with as many people as you can. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 9. Then some Pharisee and some law teacher come to Jesus from Jerusalem. Them come ask him, say, what make you follower them no hear where we father them teach we fi do? Cause them no wash them hand before them yam. Jesus said to them, say, and what make unu a listen so hard to what unu father them say, so till unu no do what God say unu fi do? Cause God say, respect unu father and unu mother. And anybody will cuss out and disrespect them father and mother, kill them. But here we uno say no, if somebody tell him father and mother say, they help me with a go no, me don't give God already. That somebody there no need for do nothing again for show them mother and father no respect. At that uno say, uno no see say, just for follow what uno father them teach. Uno no pay God word, no mind. And uno make God law come in like say it no mean nothing. Uno all hypocrite uno. The prophet Isaiah did right when him say, all them set of people you do, I take them mouth big me up, but in a them heart, them no want have nothing to do with me. And it no make sense them worship me when them a teach man make rule, like say that a female rule. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.